Hello friend, today I gonna show you a video in which I describe 4 things about MM. First, ideology of MM, second, how MM work, third, rule of MM, fourth, benefits of MM. The modern world is very bad. It's just for rich people, not for poor people. The world is just for rich people. If you have money, then you can survive in this world. But if you have no money, then this world is not for you. The world is for those who produce their money, for example, businessmen, financials, politicals, and for bankers. What is money? Money is not just piece of paper. It's something that we need to survive in this planet. Without money, you are nothing in the world. Even that, without money, you cannot survive in this world. How MM works? MM is not a bank. MM not an online business. MM not an hype site. MM not an AM program. MM does not collect your money. MM there is no boss, no owner. MM is a community where people help each other, which help millions of participate worldwide to find those who need help and those who ready to provide help for free. How money transferred? Money is transferred directly to participate. Let's suppose if Ali want to provide help for $100, then there's another participant Raza who want to get help of $100. Then communicate us with each other and Ali directly transfer $100 to Raza account. There is no central bank where all money is collected. What is Marvo? have Marvo. Is a virtual currency of the system. Its rate always grows up with 30% to 100% per month. It depends upon your Marvo type. You can buy Marvo at any time and any amount, so you can sell it at any time too with the new higher rate. In other words, buy, wait a little bit until the course growth up and then sell. That's all. Why rate increases? By the extension of system, previous are paid by the next pyramid scheme. Yes, so what? Why would need to afraid of those terrible words? Any bank and insurance company works so. All these are pyramid in this chemically pure form. Yes, even the dollar is pyramid. Any currency is not pyramid, and everyone has already understand that. But they all lie and hide the unfortunately affect strongly all bank and insurance companies that might be say they are always about guarantees. Just look how them only in recent years stopped their work. Say everything openly and honestly. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of digital currency in which encryption technology are used to regulate the generation of unit of currency and verify the transfer fund operate independently of central bank. Use Bitcoin, and that's a positive because it Bitcoin transfer alvo in every country, so if anyone want to join then they can easily be joined. This is my status of First, we create get help of $300. Then I get help of $30 and $320. Then I get help of $300 and $100. Then I get help of $50, $49, $30 and $40. Rule of First, do not create multiple accounts from one computer or one IP. Second, do not change a bit wallet. If you have want to get your money in another BTC wallet, then add a new account, but don't change a remove old BTC account. Third, do not use a public hotspot proxy and public computer etc. or log into account. Fourth, use only for spare money. Don't contribute all the money in your because does not give you all guarantee to your donation amount to be saved. Benefits of interest. give you 100% per month if you will do 100% tasks every month. If you will do not your daily task, then you will pay on $20 bonus, reference bonus, registration bonus, manager bonus, bonus for a video about receiving donation. mm program is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. We use the Bitcoin infrastructure in our transaction. In you do not have to make contract and pledge your property. In there is no ladders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. Only per space of for help and other for help. The only thing that demands for it participate it to be honest and kind of each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. We are change the world. Thanks for watching my video.